In this video, we are going to discuss about crossed Cannizzaro reaction. In previous video, we discussed about Cannizzaro reaction. That is between the two similar aldehydes which are not containing alpha hydrogens in the presence of concentrated base, they will give Cannizzaro reaction. Similar aldehydes without alpha hydrogens. Here, crossed Cannizzaro means the two different aldehydes without alpha hydrogens in the presence of concentrated alkali, they will give two products. One is called as what? And salt of an acids. Another one is called as what? An alcohol. Either Cannizzaro reaction or crossed Cannizzaro reaction, it is called as what? And disproportionation reaction, or it is also called as what? And redox reaction. Now see, now here what is the tips of this crossed Cannizzaro reaction means? Now here we are taking two different aldehydes. Which one will gives alcohol product, which one will gives acid product means the acidic salt is obtained from that what? And more reactive aldehyde. Alkali is obtained from that what? And less reactive aldehyde. Okay, this Cannizzaro reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Already we discussed the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction in the previous video. There we are at first step is what? Attacking of that what? A nucleophile, that is OH minus is attacking at that what? A nucleophilic center, electrophilic center. So therefore it is nucleophilic addition reaction. Generally nucleophilic addition reactions are favorable by an electron withdrawing group, not favorable by what? An electron releasing groups or electron donating groups. Okay, nucleophilic addition reactions. Now the aldehyde which is containing electron withdrawing group, that is more reactive. That more reactive aldehyde will gives that what? An acidic salt. Okay, that is nucleophilic addition reactions means already we know that nucleophilic reactions are inversely proportional to steric hindrance. Where the steric hindrance is less, their attacking of that what? Nucleophile is easy. So therefore nucleophilic addition reactions are more favorable which are containing less steric hindrance. Now see, now for example we are taking that what? Formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde, this is the formaldehyde. Two different aldehydes, whenever they are reacting with the concentrated alkali, they will undergo crossed Cannizzaro reaction, different aldehydes. This compound containing no alpha hydrogens, this compound containing no alpha hydrogens. So therefore they are undergoing crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Now which one will gives acid and which one will gives alcohol? See, now this is a formaldehyde, this is aliphatic aldehyde, this is aromatic aldehydes. We know that aliphatic aldehydes are less steric hindrance than that what? An aromatic aldehydes. So less is the steric hindrance, more is the reactive. So therefore this aldehyde is more reactive because of less steric hindrance. So therefore this aldehyde will gives an acidic salt, plus this is less reactive aldehyde now because of steric hindrance. So therefore it will gives alcohol. It is a disproportionation reaction or redox reaction. This is undergoing oxidation, this is undergoing reduction. Okay. Next one is now benzaldehyde. This is para-nitrobenzaldehyde, which is more reactive. This Cannizzaro reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. So therefore what will be happen? Nucleophilic addition reactions are favorable by electron withdrawing group. Here electron withdrawing group is present. Now this is electron withdrawing group is present. And what is the electron withdrawing group? It is acting as a what? Minus M effect. Whereas here no withdrawing group is present. More is the withdrawing group, more is the withdrawing power, easily attacking of that what? And OH minus ions. So therefore it will gives more reactive aldehyde. More reactive aldehyde will gives an acidic salt, followed by hydrolysis will give that what? Acids. Plus less reactive aldehyde will give alcohol. That is reduction. More reactive undergoing oxidation, less reactive undergoing reduction. Why it is more reactive? Because of electron withdrawing group is present. Next, this benzaldehyde is present. This is paramethyl benzaldehyde. Okay, now this CH3 is called as a what? An electron donating group. It will shows hyperconjugation as well as inductive effect, plus I effect. Inductive effect, plus I effect. That is electron donating group. Electron donating groups are not favorable for nucleophilic addition reactions. So therefore, this compound is less reactive. Now this compound is more reactive. This compound is more reactive. More reactive compound is undergoing what? Oxidation. More reactive compound is undergoing oxidation. Less reactive compound is undergoing reduction. So we are going to get this one. Next, this one. Orthochlorobenzaldehyde, parachlorobenzaldehyde. Now here chlorine is present, here also chlorine is present. Here this chlorine is very close to this one, so therefore the minus I effect is what? More. Here this chlorine is far away from this group, so therefore minus I effect is less. Minus I effect is what? Less. So therefore more minus I, more is the withdrawing power, so therefore it is more reactive. It is more reactive. Less minus I, less reactive. So then more reactive compound is undergoing what? Oxidation. More reactive compound is undergoing oxidation. Less reactive compound is undergoing reduction. CH2OH, para position chlorine. This is the Cannizzaro, crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Two different aldehydes which are not containing alpha hydrogens in the presence of alkali, they will undergo that what? Crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Here crossed Cannizzaro reaction means it will give two products. Which is oxidized, which is reduced, that is depends upon this withdrawing group. Withdrawing group is present means that is more reactive, that is undergoing oxidation. More is the reactive aldehyde that undergo oxidation. Less is the reactive aldehyde that is undergoing what? Reduction. More reactive oxidized, less reactive reduced. More is the reactivity oxidized product, less is the reactivity reduced product. More reactive oxidized, less reactive reduced. More reactive oxidized, less reactive reduced. Just you convert the CHO group is into what? Oxidized product, and the CHO group is converting into what? A reduced product. Okay, this is overall about an Cannizzaro reaction. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Steric hindrance is more, nucleophilic addition reactions will be what? Lesser. Thank you.